Hi, this is Todd Bladen Community College Small Business Center. I want to do a quick video about Facebook's downtime on October 4th, 2021. They're saying it's between 4 to 6 hours. And one of the key things that we tell folks all the time when they're getting on social media, any sort of virtual presence, is make sure that you own your real estate, that you have a presence that you control. And what this illustrates, as you can see from the headline, is it's going to impact small businesses if you rely on Facebook or any of the other social platforms to be your presence. Make sure you run that. If you don't, if you're having issues with that, contact myself or any one of the other small business center directors throughout North Carolina at all the community colleges. We're more than happy to help you figure out a way, a plan to go forward so that you don't lose that downtime, so that you don't become reliant upon it. As we tell folks, diversify your income streams. The same thing with your marketing. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket and just hope that something like this doesn't happen. So if you need help, give us a call. We're more than happy to help you. But otherwise, be careful out there and make sure that you're protecting yourself no matter what your presence is online.